Someone told him, the Prophet ﷺ said that if you read 33 times Subhanallah, 33 times Alhamdulillah, 34 times Allahu Akbar, it's like giving charity. Allah Ta'ala will forgive your sins, even if it is equal to the foam of an ocean. Read the ahadith. So they also started reading. Bring out the tasbeeh. Now one of tasbeeh is bidah. Tasbeeh is something that will remind you of making the dhikr of Allah. It could be anything. It could be your fingertips. It could be your mobile phone, you press tick, tick, tick. It could be anything, as long as it's taking you closer to Allah. Counting beads. Again, I'm digressing. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu used to have date stones. Yeah. He used to have buckets and buckets of, or bags and bags of date stones, and he used to count and make tasbih on them. I'm going to say Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu is committing bidah. The Prophet ﷺ didn't have date stones, he used to count. So Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu is making bidah. Na'udhu billah. Are you going to say that? So sometimes we need to take it easy with our deen. Leave it to the ulama, leave it to the muftis. Let them decide. Do the simple things.